Hey guys, welcome to SpiritShack. This is our new EMF pump. Yeah, it is quite small and portable. You've got light on the top to tell you when it's on. You take two AA batteries in there, cover slides off. You've got the on and off button there, and it is quite silent as well. Yes, you can barely hear it. So you can still do EVPs round about it as well. Yes, if you don't know what an EMF pump is for, basically it's creating its own magnetic field and pumping it out into the atmosphere. So basically spirits and ghosts are made up of electrical energy, and when you communicate with them through EVP or spirit box, they're using up that energy, which means they can only communicate for so long before their energy's spent and you can't talk to them anymore. So what this is designed to do is pump the energy into the atmosphere, and the ghost can basically absorb the energy from it, which allows them to communicate with you more. So we have tested these thoroughly at haunted locations, and I've had more responses through EVPs and spirit box just while this is going. So basically we've got an EMF detector here, so this will just pick up the energy being pumped out from the EMF pump just to test that it works. So there we go, it's picking up from there. Well, you can see that, but it starts about there. Yeah, so that's the coverage on it, but obviously it's in every direction, all the way around it and above it. Yeah, just because of which way the magnet's facing, it does give a strong reading around the edges than it does above, but it shouldn't really matter. I think the spirits will be able to see the energy being pumped out of this from a mile off. It can also tell them that it's there, and if they want to use it for energy, they can do. So if you want one of these, check out the link in the description below, and please don't forget to like and share and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks guys.